What's up guys? Now deploying your GitHub project on Vercel actually is quite easy, so let me guide you through step by step. First off, open up the GitHub homepage and then create a new project right here. Then simply just add the repository name, so I'm just going to name this test123, and we can then also add a description. And as for the configuration, make sure to just basically change this based on your own likings. I'm going to create the repository. And I'm then going to get started by uploading a simple example project right here. I'm just going to add a simple index.html file. I'm going to commit to these changes, and now we have successfully added this onto GitHub. So how do we then actually deploy this exact project on Vercel? Well, first of all, simply open up the Vercel dashboard right here. And by default, you can then basically import a Git repository. So you're going to have the option to choose between GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. In our case, choose GitHub right here. Then make sure to authorize this. And this is now completed. Then install the GitHub application for the accounts. So I'm just going to once again install this, and this will basically allow us to seamlessly integrate everything right here. We can then right away see our test project, which we have just created. Click on import, and right here we can then basically go over these settings, but essentially you can right here then deploy your website, your project. And as you can see, now this has successfully been deployed on our Vercel app. I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next